In 1816, a Frenchman by the name of Joseph Nicephone.
For reference in French, his name is said as Joseph Nicephore Niepce.
Joseph Nicephore Niepce invented the photographic camera, inventing a way to immortalize a moment in time so that it can be experienced for all eternity. In 1925, a Scottish inventor by the name of John, it doesn't matter, created the very first video camera, allowing for those trapped instances in time to actually move. And over countless centuries and decades, the camera has been improved upon, innovated on, till this day, resulting in, BAM! The DJI Pocket 3. Now, I was in the market for a new camera, and I am not a photography connoisseur in the slightest. I honestly couldn't tell you why one 4K camera is better than the next. And even before I started searching for a Meritus 4K camera, I got bombarded with TikTok video after TikTok video of the DJI Pocket 3. And I'm not saying that TikTok or the Chinese spies or the government is listening to my every word or reading my thoughts, but anyway, long story short, I got influenced and I bought the DJI Pocket 3. And today we're going to try and answer the question if the DJI Pocket 3 is worth it in 2025. Alright, first things first, we're going to unbox this bad boy. There, get the plastic off. Well, here we have a somewhat long, boring unboxing video, so I'm just gonna let you know exactly what's in the box and how it comes packaged. Everything is packaged inside the little baggie. Fits in there nice and snug. First you have the mount, then you have the microphone transmitter with the windshield and a little magnet that allows you to clip it onto your clothes or wherever you want to clip it. Then you have the extended battery, which functions as an extended handle as well. The mount straps, the cable, and this is the cover to keep it safe, protected, loved. Then you have the wide angle lens that also is magnetized so it can fit inside the case. Makes it easier to carry. And finally, the DJI Pocket 3. So this is the creator combo. Everything comes in the one single box and all fits inside the bag. It's very neat. What I like about this is the ease of use. Obviously a gimbal camera, this is very quick to turn on. Just slide it to the side and boom. You can also use the joystick to control where you want the camera to see, and it's got other features. It's a very nifty camera. So this is how it looks. Actual camera quality is pretty good, 4K, 30 frames per second. But yeah, to answer the question of if this camera is worth it in 2025, answer is yeah, most definitely. This camera has been one of the most popular cameras in 2024 for a reason, and it's unlikely that even if the DJI released the DJI 4, this camera will become obsolete. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching. Peace.